Fatima, breast violation. Tell Fatima what kind of video you were watching this morning on YouTube.
I watched mukbang.
It was two kuyas eating. You know one of them videos where they just sit there and...
Yeah, because I was feel hungry. That's why I watch mukbang.
Okay, I want to make one of those videos with you ladies.
Before I watch mukbang video, I didn't finish watching Fatima cleaning the fridge. And I'm laughing by myself.
Yeah, because you know, you Filipinas don't throw anything out. Right? You never throw anything away.
Yeah, I'm just enjoying watching Fatima's video.
Oh, so sweet, Fatima.
Yeah.
Fatima just dreaming about food right now.
I'm hungry.
I got Burger King on the way, ladies.
I'm sleeping.
Thank you so much.
Right.
Because I'm really hungry. I'm not eating last night.
What? You ate like... Baby, we had pork chops and rice.
Early.
Yeah, but you know, my breakfast, that's very late. Because I'm enjoying
Sige na, Nea. Namamalat.
All right. Let's watch the video. Here we go. Fatima, would you say that again? Because that's something I don't hear you say very much.
Thank you, babe. I'm full. I'm full.
You heard it, folks. She said she's full. Usually I only hear, I'm hungry.
Ow! Tumpang!
Good job for us, G. Poke her again with that fork, buddy. Ladies had spam, egg, rice. Oh, yeah. It's spam, egg, rice, and bacon. For like 115 pesos. It's like $2. $2 and some change. You love spam too, right?
yes.
And folks, I'm gonna tell you, Burger King is coming in there strong with the breakfast, and they got the breakfast Whopper that comes with a big old egg on it. And I just get the Junior. So the Whopper, breakfast Whopper Junior comes with that thick egg.
What you want?
You still hungry, boy? This dude woke up in the middle of the night, jumping around like the Easter Bunny. He was hungry. He ate 2 pieces of pizza and drank half my Coke and then went back to bed. But not really.
Nakain siya sa gabi?
Ngayon lang yan?
Let's check out what I have prepared for my babies. A little fried chicken, but I used cornstarch instead of flour. Beautiful French fries. I got honey mustard, sweet chili sauce. They are gonna love this meal. Check that out. Also got a little spicy cream cheese over there for anybody who's adventurous. But basically, cilantro, basil, chilies, the green peppers. I'm gonna stir this up, fry it up in some butter. Folks, I gotta show y'all, made some modifications to the grill and to my one cooking table. I'm so excited about it. I mean, I just spent at least 20 minutes installing these upgrades. Are you ready? I mean, this is breaking news here. Here we go. Boom. Check it out right there. Got a bottle opener. It even comes with instructions. Open here. Check that bad boy out. Install redneck style. But you don't need these bottom ones because when you torque it, it's torquing down. So it's pushing up against there. It's not going up. But that's not all. Boom! Double trouble on the other side. My goodness. Look at that. Now look. Again, comes with instructions. Different shades. One's the bronze, one's the whatever. But look, I didn't need the anchor points down here because when you torque it, it's torquing that way. All it's doing is pushing against the metal. But look here. If you center this thing, the reason I installed 2 is in case I'm having a little get together, right? And say say two people need a beer, and one comes over here, he's opening this beer. I don't want the other man to have to wait. So this is a double barrel opening system. Bloop, bloop, dropping down into the trash can. But there's more. I mean, all this is all this for $19.95. But wait. Now I told you, I got this one over here. Now this is sort of a secret for the chef. So this will be my own personal beer opener here. The other two are public. But wait. What happens if I'm here and I got two gentlemen over there trying to get beers open, or two Filipinas? There's a reserve over here. Boom! Partners! Open here. And I want you to check out that expert installation right there. I got a little carried away with that. It went up through there, so I just took it out. But again, it's just torquing down on there. It'll be fine. Look at that center of that thing. And plus, for me, so I'm over here cooking. She brings me a beer. Bloop. I just drive on with my operations. So look at that, folks. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because I'm tired of looking for a beer opener, a bottle opener. I bought a bunch of them off Lazada, cheap Chinese crap. And this is all that's left of all of those that I bought. Every one of them broke, they're cheap. And I'm not saying these aren't made in China. I'm sure they are made in China. But they seem to be a little bit sturdier. So anyhow, I'm all excited about that, folks. Take this chucker right here, just throw it in the trash before somebody breaks a nail. Thank you, sweetie. You're doing a good job helping Papa. Thank you. All right, put it back over there. Good job, sweetie girl. Oh, yeah. Look at that precision placement of that trash can. Folks, there you go. It's finished product right there. A little pork, extra special stir fry / whatever you want to call it. That is absolute deliciousness right there. Your dinner is served, madam. There you go, sweetie girl. That's my auntie. Look at that. Look at the presentation. Look at how I stacked the carrots on the side with a pair of tweezers. This is the old ladies right here. Before she just woke up. Should go get that young man, but perfect timing. Oh, yeah. Look at that. How's your food, sweetie girl?
Yummy.
Yummy?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Over there on the grill, sweetie. All right, folks, here you go. This is some makings of a Creamy Diablo. With cayenne pepper, butter, olive oil. Adding some basil and cilantro. Green peppers. Little onions. But I'm going to start it out. I'm going to char these dudes first. Then I'm throwing this in here. With that large 3.2 quart cast iron combo cooker. Folks, that piece of gear right there is made in America by the good folks down in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, my friends. And we finna throw down in this thing. My goodness. That thing's hot. It's been getting hot. Drop it like it's hot. Let's come in there with the olive oil. Heat that up. Heavy on the olive oil. You know what? I can drink that stuff straight, so I'm not messing around on the Creamy Diablo. Look at here. Everybody hold your breath. You ready? You ready? Stand back. Stand back. Stand back. Hold your breath. Like pepper spray. It's like dropping pepper spray in there. Most of y'all can't take it, but I've been pepper sprayed so many damn times in my life. Don't affect the dog. Get that going just like that. Oh, pop it like it's hot. That's the joy of cooking outdoors. When shit starts popping like damn popcorn, you just stand back and let it go. It's not affecting you. Oh shit. There ain't no easy way out. Hey, I stand my ground. Gerber strong arm. This right here gonna cure COVID. You don't need fucking Pfizer. That's all you need right here. Get into that large 3.2 quart cast iron combo cooker. This is gonna be one of the most delicious Creamy Diablos I think I've ever made. I'm gonna get a little bit more olive oil. That's pure heat coming off of there. That's pure heat coming off of there. And we're hitting it with the basil and the cilantro. And it's not gonna be like spectacular. I'm just putting it on top there. Oh Lord. How to run the old lady in the house. Nobody calls fire department. I'm just over here cooking. I want a special ingredient. I'm not gonna add too much. I'm gonna drink it. A little red wine. A little bit of red wine up in there. A little bit more. Oh yeah. Little California red on the Creamy Diablo. Oh shit, got a couple trying to escape here. See if I can wrangle. Oh Lord. I can't do this whole knife. You know what? I can do anything. Put my mind to it. I can hold a knife on. Whoa! Shit. Damn it. I'll just keep your ass under there. Now listen to me, folks. You gotta cook the hell out of this Creamy Diablo, because it's already gonna be so spicy that when you eat it, you're gonna have to go shit in the creek later on in the night. But by 2 in the morning, you better head for the creek, because your asshole's on fire. If you don't cook it thoroughly, you'll be shitting in the hospital. That's the difference. Ain't many people on earth can eat what I'm about to cook here. But listen to me. But take a little bit of the fight out of it so you can enjoy the flavor without going to the hospital. Got a reserve tank here. A little bit for flavor, not too much. More special ingredient. See if we can light this candle a little bit. It'll catch on fire. Maybe. See if it'll flame up. There's your finished product right there. The Creamy Diablo. Now look, I gotta add some cream cheese and put it on a cracker. Let me get you a little closer. I usually like to eat the Creamy Diablo with crackers, but them crackers in there are a little old. I got some fresh bread. I got me some herbs and spices, cream cheese. Just gonna add to the flavor. All right, folks, here we go. I couldn't get that damn knot open. I had to rip into it like a rat. Get a little cream cheese here. Oh yeah. Then bring in that Creamy Diablo. I need a spoon for it. Oh yeah, look at that. Probably need a spoon to get the gravy out of the bottom. The foreign dude always loves the gravy. I got too much cilantro hanging on there. It's Creamy Diablo right there. Get the Diablo on the top. Whew. I'm ready to tear this up. It's like the devil's pizza. Shit, that might be a new. Instead of the Creamy Diablo, I'm calling this the devil's pizza. If I had it on crackers, it'd be a Creamy Diablo. Let's chomp down on this dude. Wow. Bringing the fire. Only way to deal with it, go in for a second bite. Everything's burning. And folks, I fucked up the camera. But basically, look, this is the devil's pizza. Look at that. Fold it over like that. Burn my lips, my mouth, my throat, my eyes. One layer of cream cheese. We'll top it a little bit more. Oh, shit, the devil's pizza's kicking my ass. Oh, shit. Every spice known to man except habanero is on the devil's pizza. Look at that. Look at that pizza, folks. It's one of the dishes where you gotta pace yourself. Right now I'm experiencing the burn, clearing out the sinuses. Let it burn for a little bit, and then go back in for the next piece. Hey, mama cat. Oh yeah, now there's a better representation of the devil's pizza. Look at that. About to go down the hatch.